Hello friends, it's Miss Julia, and I decided to come outside. I just did a video earlier about the chicken trying to lay her egg in the chicken coop, but I wanted to see what the other chickens were doing, and so I found them out here. What do you think they're doing? What do you think they're looking for? What do you think they can find? I think they're looking for worms and grubs and seeds and even little green shoots starting to sprout because it's getting warmer outside. Now all of these chickens are hens, which means that they all lay eggs. I do not have a rooster or a boy chicken. These are all girl chickens. But let's count. Let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that brown one, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 chickens. Brown chickens lay a nice, beautiful dark brown color. And the black and white ones lay a beautiful light brown color. And then, coming hopefully into the camera, is like a whitish, grayish one. She lays, there she is, see her? She just came right there. She lays a green egg, which is pretty cool. Well, I hope you're getting outside and enjoying this beautiful weather. Hope you're out exploring and finding all these cool discoveries. All right, I'm gonna head out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.